Next, we can explore the broader social implications of technology's influence on different domains. So, first, we have community transformation. It helps us understand how data science with SAS programming can transform communities and societies, provides high value insights for planning and policy making. The impact forms is the impact on skill development. The complex learning curve associated with SAS may influence community transformation. Communities seeking to embrace data science for social benefits may face challenges in development a skilled workforce capable of leveraging SS efficiently. Community engagement and limited open source community support can affect community engagement in collaborative data science projects. Communities may prefer tools with robust open source ecosystem that encourage knowledge sharing and collaboration. Next, we have business evolution, which states that exploring the impact of SCS programming in business environments and its potential to revolutionize operation and decision making processes. Innovation and adaptability for business is aiming for innovation and data driven decisions may find the challenges with essays to be a barrier. Technology adaptability to merge trends and integrating with cutting edge technology is crucial for business evolving in the digital era. Also, business and cost management, which states that the cost consideration associated with SAS can impact business evolution. With SAS can impact businesses, companies need to carefully evaluate the return on investment and assess whether the benefits of assets justify their associated needs and costs. Next, we public sector reforms. Evaluating how SAS perform programming can enhance public sector services and governance, leading to improved social outcomes like data driven governance. Public sector organization undertaking data driven governance initiates may find the challenge in SAS to be significant. Data integration, scalability, and compatibility with existing systems are crucial factors for successful public sector reforms. Plus, cost consideration can be particularly relevant in the public sector, where budget constraints may limit the adaptation of SAS. Governments need to balance the benefits of advanced analytics with the financial resources available for public sector reforms. Next, we have government and public services. Efficient public resource allocation through data-driven decision making. At government and public services, data privacy concerns are paramount. It says the ability to make stringent data privacy and security standards influence the adaptation by government agencies handling sensitive information. So with service delivery efficiency in question. The adaptability of SAS to specify needs of the government and public services impact the efficiency of service delivery. The technology's compatibility with existing systems can ease and ease of integration are essential considerations. Next, we have manufacturing and industry, which have predictive maintenance leading to reduced downtime. Manufacturing industry also operational efficiency, which means in manufacturing industry, the scalability of performance of assets becomes critical for operational efficiency. Ability to analyze large data sets in real time can enhance decision making in areas such as supply chain management and quality control. Customization and integration. The limitation in flexibility and customization of assets may affect its adaptation in manufacturing industry. So often requires tailored solutions that seamlessly integrate with existing processes and systems. Lastly, we have energy and environment. This is an optimization of energy production and distribution with environment monitoring. So this states that data-driven sustainability in the energy and environment sector, data science plays a very crucial role in promoting sustainability. Challenges in SAS such as implementations in large datasets may impact the ability to develop meaningful insights for sustainable practices. The adaptability of SAS to integrate with IoT or Internet of Things devices can handle big data is essential for monitoring and optimizing energy consumption and environmental impact. In each of these sectors, we can state that addressing the challenges associated with SAS in different size requires a strategic and holistic approach. Organizations and communities need to consider the specific requirements of their domain and carefully assess the impacts of technology choices on their goals, whether related to community development, business innovation, public sector reform, or sustainable practices of energy and environment. Next, we have the exploring the board. We are exploring the broader ethical implications of the technology's influence on different domains. We have six domains. First, privacy and data security, which assess the potential threats of privacy and data security using SS programming in diverse domains. The challenge here can face is in the retail sector, handling customer data is crucial. SAS needs to ensure robust privacy measures to protect customer information. And the impact it can cause is the failure to address data security concern could lead to breaches, compromising customer trust, and potentially violating privacy regulation. And telecommunications challenge may also occur, which means companies may have to deal with vast amount of sensitive customer data. SAS needs to adhere strict data security protocols to prevent unauthorized access. Otherwise, it could impact a security breach and have severe consequent legal repercussions and damage to reputations of telecommunication providers. Next, we have equity and fairness. Next, we Next, we have equity and fairness. It states that scrutinizing the risk of perpetuating inequalities or biased decision making in various sectors through SAS programming implementation. It states that challenge is faced by retailers using SAS for analytics must address potential biases in customer profiling and pricing strategies. The impact it could have is unfair practices can lead to customer dissatisfaction, negative publicity, and even legal actions, affecting the reputation of retail business. Next, we have regulatory compliance. Understanding the need for stringent regulatory compliance in different domains using data science tools and SAS programming. Challenge that could face here is that retail organization using SAS must navigate various consumer protection and privacy regulation. The impact it could happen is non-compliance can result in fines, legal action, and reputational damages for retailers, particularly in regions with stringent data protection laws. Next, we have retail. Protecting customer consumer privacy is personalized marketing and recommendation systems, which means if the challenge which can be faced is tech companies need to comply with regulation related to data retention, user privacy, and fair competition. Telecommunications, balancing the benefits of personal services with user privacy consideration. That means it could also occur, means feel must ensure fairness in service and pricing. Access algorithms should be scrutinized to prevent discrimination in service offering. Otherwise, unfair pricing may result in customer complaints. Lastly, government and public service, ensuring transparency in algorithmic decision making and public services. So, all in all, we can summarize that addressing privacy and data security, equality, and fairness, regulatory compliance, Another step is vital across various sectors. In each domain, the responsibility use of essays in data science requires a thorough understanding of sector specific challenges and commitment to ethical and legal standard procedures.